Welcome to Advanced Hair Studio Chennai, a city where tradition meets innovation, and now, the finest hair restoration solutions. Chennai's humid climate often leads to hair concerns like thinning, breakage, and hair fall. But worry no more. Advanced Hair Studio offers effective solutions that restore your confidence and give you the hair you deserve. At AHS, we combine over 50-plus years of expertise, FDA-approved procedures, and cutting-edge technology to deliver amazing, lasting results. Join over 1 million satisfied clients worldwide. Our advanced techniques, both clinical and non-clinical procedures and combination of both, deliver precision, density, and an amazing hair with long-lasting results. Nothing less than a head full of hair for everyone at any stage of hair loss for a seamless transformation. Our expert team trichologist ensures safety, precision, and care every step of the way. At our Chennai studio, we go beyond hair restoration. We offer exclusive Salon services to cater to all your and your loved ones' hairstyling and grooming needs. Whether it's a fresh look, a luxurious treatment, or a makeover for a special occasion, our expert stylists are here to elevate your experience. Regain your confidence with permanent, amazing-looking results. Experience minimal downtime and faster recovery with Advanced Hair Studio. Take the first step toward a fuller head of hair. Book your consultation at Advanced Hair Studio Chennai today, and don't forget to explore our premium salon services for that extra touch of elegance.